Hi guys, thank you very much for joining in here in my Tamil lettering using this Adobe Fresco. So basically, we are gonna try some new things. Actually, I'm actually trying this piece of software which they have released earlier on. But let me quickly. I recently got an invite to try this live stream along with this Adobe Fresco. So I'll be teaching you how to draw letters, draw letters in the sense. Yes, okay, pretty cool, yeah. So this is a so let's put here live lettering. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, now we are going to write or draw I kind of uh, this one, which is probably the okay. Earlier on, I actually started to test this out, this live stream, and all of a sudden, actually, it went out. So let me do that again, right? So I wanted to write a. I'm actually making a new layer and writing, just having a kind of a undo that. I'm gonna take the sketching brushes. There are a lot of brushes here, so I just want to go here and say sketching pencil. Right, cool. Now, before we get it started with anything, we have to do that. Let's say okay, we have to first we need to put a guideline, right? So let's do some guidelines. I'm just doing some good guidelines. All right, okay. With this guideline in mind, we're gonna write down the Mauna Moli, maybe the language of silence. Okay, right, cool. Mauna Moli. This is basically a sketch, so I'll choose a correct color. The bluish color would make a good thing. Okay, cool. Mauna. Mauna. Mauna Moli. So when you wanted to type or rather draw a letter, you need to find a kind of a good compositions. So let's say I have a guideline, and after that I'm just making kind of a basic structure using skeleton like sketching. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is a kind of a same process that I use with my pencil and the paper, but this time I'm actually working on the fresco. So just we'll actually discover things how we gonna do all these things together with this very application. Okay, so the app which is available app, you can download it from app store, I think. Yeah, so now yeah, we are going to expand this very structure or the skeleton with the flesh, right? So we are expanding it, right? So see that this is the thing. This is what we are doing right now, because what we need to do is we have to find a balance in between the letters, and we need to say that, okay, this is a good thing that we write. Yeah. Pretty cool. Yes. So we are getting some interesting interesting things here. So we using this sketching pencil to build up a kind of a basic structure where we will be able to add some more information, or rather textures and everything later on. But this looks okay now, right? So let's make another layer here. Okay, with that I'm gonna choose another brush. Let's look at a couple of brushes we available here. Let's say basic, charcoal, comics, dry medium, and ink effects there, and also lettering, marker, mixture brushes, painting, rakes, and there are a lot of things. Okay, now let's do, I'm just gonna try this charcoal. Okay, charcoal pencil is there. All right, cool. So I'm gonna try that one with this. Okay, sorry, I need to change the color. Maybe I'm gonna change that into kind of a blackish color, right? All right, okay. You see that this is a kind of a way we do this, because we need to find a balance in between letters and also the rhythm, the harmony between the, so I'm actually using my basic sketch and developing from it. Okay, so this is what is happening right now. Yes, this is pretty much it. And so if you are if you are trying to reach this live stream from my Instagram, you can say hi here also. But yeah, this is the thing. Okay, pretty cool. Yes, so that we are using here we are using charcoal brush, yeah, and also I'm actually drawing on my initial sketch. So you can actually turn off, it's like the same as what you use as the paper and the pen or the pencil. So you can use rotate the way you want it to rotate, and yeah, it's pretty much the same as what you use with the analog device or analog tools, right? That's pretty cool. Yeah, maybe we can actually expand here also a little bit more. No, we just have a look at it. All right. Yes. Right. And we need to do some more things here. Let's try that out. Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna take this, hide this layer out because I don't want that. Now, if you look at here, it is okay. Now we have this lettering piece, but let's make another layer and do some things, okay? Or rather we can, okay, so now I'm going to lock, or rather lock the transparency, okay? If I lock the transparency, what I can do is I think I can change the colors here, okay? Now I'm gonna pick a color palette. So let's say all, I don't know, reason, all lettering, theme colors. Okay, we'll find this color, okay? Maybe fresco colors. I like this color, I think. Okay, let's okay, maybe we use this one, okay? Or maybe we can actually say fill layer or something like that. Should be there, I think. Or maybe I can drop this here. But the texture is not getting as it is, so we can undo this and change using the brush. We can actually make that happen, okay? So let me quickly make it a big one, right? That's cool. Okay, now I think I need to change this background color into something else. I believe that's a good thing. Okay, so now I might go here. Let's see, the background should be like this. Let's try that. Cannot fill the layer, we need to put a layer in. Okay, pixel, right? Okay, cool. So now we have this one, but we need to find some more. So let's duplicate this layer, okay? And with this layer I'm gonna move it a bit here. All right, and I'm gonna change the color into something else. Let's check the one, select, and the select. All right, cool. So I'm actually using the transparency lock and the thing. I'm going to fill the gaps and form a kind of a way to make it as a think like a 3D shapes, right? So let's that's too much, I think. Let's do this something. Yeah. So basically, we are changing these. We are making kind of 3D shapes, right? Okay. Yes. So this is the first time actually I'm working on this thing. So now I think it's all cool. Let me quickly. Right. So this one is fine. Now let's give some shading for this one, right? So let me quickly merge down. So I'm gonna merge down, so that is there. Now I'm going to select this one. How do you select this one? Let's find out. Selecting it. So lock layer, merge down, mask, Let's mask it. Layer mask. Swipe left, swipe right on the layer thumbnail to go back to the editing layer. So this is the mask. Okay, we don't want that, right? Unlink mask, we don't want that. Okay, so we won't actually have to have a kind of let's lock the transparency. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and find a brush, mixture brushes, racks. Mm, oh, that is not a good brush to select with. Let's try something else basic. Mixture brushes. Painting. Let me try this lettering piece, which is very interesting to see. Okay, now I'm going to change the color into something dark, not dark, but yeah, kind of dark. But let's try and change that little bit in a sense. Okay, right, cool. Now I'm gonna give a kind of a see that I'm just changing the light coming this way. Okay, so I'm actually going to dark these areas, the underneath of everything. I'm gonna dark it. Yes, that's cool, and maybe we can use something else like this, and I don't know. Let me quickly use this one. So this is the layer that we have to this one, and now I'm gonna duplicate this layer. Okay, and So now that I'm actually duplicated the layer, and here I have the layer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color into something else. So go ahead and change the color to something else. Maybe this one works fine. I think probably this one. Okay, cool. And I'm going to change the size of the brush, and I'm just quickly, maybe I can hide this one, and also this one, so that I can see how things are here. So now this one and this one, right? Pretty cool. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this up and little bit, I'm gonna remote little bit here. I don't know whether I can see this one. Shall I? Right. Where is this gray gone? Oh, maybe I didn't select the correct. Yes, I did. Unlock the transparency, it's fine. Probably. So guys, this is a kind of a what do you call, I'm actually trying this entire program myself for the first time, so maybe I'm learning as you guys, so it's a good thing, learning. And I don't know whether it's a good thing, so just delete the layer. We don't want that, right? For so far now this is good, but how can we even spice this up? Let's do some. I wanted to have a kind of a, maybe I can add another layer here and go here, and maybe okay, then there's another one more thing that I wanted to tell you, that there is a kind of a cool brush available in Fresco, where you can go here and see the live brushes, right? The live brushes, it's very very unique and dynamic brushes. They actually changes the way it actually as a physical one, when you mix watercolor or the oil paint, it actually blend together in a very organic way, which is a good thing. So let's try that thing and see how it actually works. Okay, so I'm gonna change the color into something else. Okay, we're just gonna have a close look at here. So if you look at here, I'm changing the color here. See that it's blends. Wow, that's pretty nice, right? I really like it. I really really like it. How about changing this one? Maybe we duplicate this layer and hide this layer, and we're gonna paint entire thing using the, we don't want that as well, but let's do something, right? Okay, multicolor dropper. Okay, that's cool. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I can actually use multicolor option as well, but yeah. So now I'm gonna yes, maybe I can use this one, right? Cannot draw a hidden layer. Okay, so this is the one we have it, right? Yeah, that's because it actually has two lines here. Chunk. We wanted to have this something like this. Pretty nice things happening here, alive. Yes, that's cool, but we want to work on this piece really. So let's go here, and I want to change the color. I don't want that color, and I may use this color. Oh yeah, this color is fine. No, maybe we can use this one instead of that, and change that into the oil paint color. Yes, yeah, flat oil paint. Yes, pretty. Yeah, see that it gives kind of a texture. If you look at here, see that it's wow, that's texture is there, right? And maybe we can change the color a little bit and give some kind of vibe here. All right, pretty cool. This is a cool feature really, because it actually gives you the the analog, or rather authentic paint blending thing, so go ahead and blend things together, right? Formulating. Wow, yeah, that says something really, yeah. I think that's okay. That's, we don't want that. That's the merge down thing. And so if you look at here, these are the settings that you can see here. And yeah, that's all about it. And maybe I'll type my name here. I don't know whether I can type here. There's no way that I can type, I think. Probably, I don't know. Let's check. This one. We don't want that. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let me quickly check. And lettering, cool. Yes, that's awesome. Oops, that's not the one that I wanted to supposed to be. Yes, I think that's pretty much it is. And hope you guys have learned a couple of things using the how to use this Fresco. Rather, maybe we can actually turn this off, and I think we can turn on this one, right? Yeah, you don't like it? Okay, pretty cool. Which one do you like, this one or this one? This is kind of cool, I think. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, so maybe I'm gonna write my name here. Let's try that. Okay, I want a kind of a nice pencil. So sketching pen, that's cool. Pen is also good, I think. Let's try a new pen here. Maybe we can put another layer here. Say yeah, that's about it. Okay, thanks. We'll see you on the next thing. Hope that helps out, guys, and see you guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.